Locked out of your Zillow agent account and feeling the pressure? Let's get you back in business, pronto. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Zillow.com. It's time to reclaim your digital storefront. Look for the sign in button. Usually in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, click on it and you'll be directed to the sign in page. Now, instead of entering your email and password, spot the forgot password link right below the sign in fields. Give that a click. You'll be taken to a password reset page here. Carefully type in the email address associated with your Zillow agent account. Double check for typos, because even a small mistake can delay the process. Next, keep a close watch on your email inbox, including your spam or junk folder. Zillow will send you a password reset email. It might take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. Once you find it, open the email and click on the password reset link provided. Clicking the link will take you back to Zillow, where you can create a brand new password. Choose a strong, secure password that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Enter your new password in both the new password and confirm password fields. Finally, after setting your new password, you should be automatically logged into your Zillow agent account. Welcome back. Now you can get back to connecting with clients and growing your business, and that's all there is to it.